As an individual, you identify yourself in many ways: your name, address, age, profession, and more. You see that identity in many forms: on your driver's license, social security card, birth certificate, work or school badges, insurance cards. These are called identity instruments. Now, think of all the ways you identify yourself with all your different forms of ID, multiplied by all your daily online and offline interactions. Just how much of your personal identifiable information do you control? How much of it is out there, being used without your consent? And how much of it is stored in locations you don't know about? As you think about where your identity is and who has access to it, hackers are constantly prowling honeypots to exploit personal information aggregated into centralized systems of records. Identity theft and data breaches are major threats that compromise who we are, because identity is the fundamental asset of how we interact with each other, and having our identity compromised or stolen creates a tremendous setback for ourselves. So let's rethink how identity solutions transform the way we interact with the world. ID issuing, secure payments, universal patient records, know your customer, and more are all use cases of digital identity that can be embedded in modernized transactions. So, what are the two major drivers for change? First, we all want control over our identity and who we share it with through secure relationships, removing any identity mediators. Second, businesses want to optimize process workflows and decrease costs while remaining relevant in a digital economy. These same businesses also want to innovate on their core strategy. Instead of having to invest in an identity strategy, evolving identity models can offload some of those challenges, which can then be reinvested in building core business value for clients. The end result? Moving control points for identity to the edges of the network, giving more control to people, organizations, and connected devices, where trust cannot be compromised. Blockchain technology accelerates decentralized identity models by providing a web of trust as people, organizations, and connected devices establish and share their own identity created by them and verified by relationships. Let's solve digital identity management together.